Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got a really quick, very late unboxing. I received this back in the spring, and I didn't have any internet at the time, so I missed the email telling me they'd shipped it. So it sat outside. It sat outside literally in the worst spring rainstorm we've had in years for probably a month. Now, the pliers themselves didn't sustain any damage, but the holder block did. It discolored, and this is the NEWACALOX 8 plier jewelry set. And I want to say a huge thank you to the NEWACALOX team for being so patient in me getting this video out. I'm going to quickly go through what each of the tools is and possibly a little bit about what they do. This one is the needle nose pliers. This one is the bent nose pliers. This one is the round nose pliers. This one is the flat nose pliers. This one is the chain nose pliers. This one is called the lineman pliers. This one is just a cutter, and this one is called an end nipper. Okay, now the needle nose pliers goes without saying. Those are kind of your basic do-it-all pliers. The bent nose pliers, you can use those to help open jump rings and stuff like that. Same for the round nose pliers. Well, basically any of these, but the flat nose. Now, here are some of the differences. The flat nose pliers do not have any teeth, okay? They are smooth on the inside. That is very helpful. You don't want to mar up the finish on, let's say, your jump rings. The needle nose pliers, the bent nose pliers, and the round nose pliers are also tooth-free, let's say. They don't have any teeth. The lineman's pliers do. The lineman's pliers, now, when you're using these, you want the grip that the teeth will provide, like for stripping wire, for twisting wire, anything like that. Okay, the cutters is self-explanatory, just for cutting the end of armature wire or chain or anything like that. The nippers, now, they come in handy when you need something. It's hard to describe, but you need something that's going to cut flush. The cutters will do the same thing, but these nippers can get into spots where the cutters can't. Okay? So, basically, that's it for the description. I really want to say how I'm really impressed with these. They are a very nice set. Nice grips. I know y'all have seen these 1,000 times. These are my regular round nose pliers. The spring action that makes them return open, those little wires right there, those came off years ago. The handles have holes in the bottom, so the handles are constantly sliding off. These are gonna be fantastic. I'm super excited to use them and really impressed with them. So I want to thank you again to the company that sent them to me. These are the NEWACALOX jewelry tools set. Thank you. I want to thank everyone for watching. Bye for now.